long time no talk. So today we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. Nails crusty, feet crusty. I need body care. So like today is a, you know, get shit done day. So spend the day with me. And here's our to-do list. We have to go get our nails done, our toes done. We have to go to Target. That's it, because I think I can get everything at Target. And that's it. And then we need to come back home, fold clothes, and like reorganize. So that's on the to-do list today. So we are already in the car. We headed to the nail salon now. So I'm gonna call y'all back once we get there. Okay, we just got done at the nail salon. I was closed. It's 1:26, but I just got black. I was very indecisive and like I didn't know what I wanted. Like I was looking on Pinterest and was like, oh, maybe I want this, maybe I want that. But ultimately, dang, my lips ashy. Ultimately, I just got black because it's my favorite color anyways, and yeah, it's cool. And then I got French tip on the toes. Feet pics, not for free. Get somebody else to do it. But yeah, so now we're gonna go to Target. I'm kind of ready to go home. But yeah, we're gonna go to Target. I was gonna go in the hair store, but it don't look like she open. Cause I think I want to do some braids. I think it's time to put it up. But I got some braiding hair at home. I just need some beads, cause I wanna do this style that I saw on Pinterest. So, but anyways, yeah, let's go to Target. We need to get formula. So we finna get formula for her real quick. Got that good Similac. Grab that. I didn't come for that. What I came for, the new term. I don't know how you say it. It's all sold out. So let's see. I gotta get something else. I just need something else. It's okay. This one. Late. What else did I come here for? I don't know, child. Okay, so we made it back probably maybe a couple hours ago. Yeah, she had to take her little nap. But let's get into what I bought from Target. So yeah. So we got formula. Essential. Had to get the big boy. And then we got the Olay sugar and cocoa butter body wash. It's an exfoliating body wash. Wow, I didn't read that. Dang. I didn't need to get that scrub. This smells good. Okay. Snack. And then I got the Dove brown sugar and cocoa butter body scrub, or exfoliating body polish, but that's exfoliating it, you know. I'm gonna keep it, you know. And then I found the star patches, the star face patches. Let's see, can you see? What? Yeah, I found those. I found the star face patches, and I got like two. I got one now. One right here. Gotta go. And then what else I get? I needed some shampoo for my natural hair because the one I use the Aussie. It doesn't feel good in my hair. It makes my hair it makes my hair like super dry and just, I don't know, it just doesn't feel good on my hair. So I got this one. It's supposed to be a moisture retention shampoo. I have the foam, 10 out of 10. And I also have the it's like hair gel. That one's good too. Okay, she want to be apart. And then I got this like let me put it back on her handle. I got this romper. It looked like one like you exercising or whatever. I got it from Target too, because influenced by TikTok, of course. Hello, welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We got things to do, errands to run, money to spend. Okay, so first things first, we gotta get my mini me ready. So we gotta put her clothes on, and then from there we're going to Starbucks. Then we are going to view an apartment, and then we are going to Target. Actually, we're gonna view the apartment first and then go to Starbucks and Target because they're in the same building. Yeah, and then after that, I think that's it. That's all we have to do. Oh, and go to at home too. So that's on the to-do list today. So let's get my mini me ready real quick. Okay, so we just made it to the apartments. It's a apartment only, but hopefully, I mean, usually you could just walk in, so hopefully I could walk in and like see what they got and tour, and fingers crossed it looks good, because we don't move for a few months, but like, you know how you get anxious? It's like, okay, I'm ready to find like where I'm gonna stay at next, because like I'm over the place that I'm at. That's me right now. So yeah, hopefully the pricing is good and they have availability around the time, or you know what I'm saying, like just fingers crossed that it's good. So I'm finna go in, tour. Okay, so I just got finished viewing the apartment. She sold me a studio apartment, but we need at least a 2-bedroom, which she went on their Facebook page and she pulled up the video, so I'm just gonna look at those. But they look really nice. The only thing that I really don't like is like it's these dark brown cabinets, but I could live with that. Everything else looks very nice. The video was very quick because I get like kind of awkward like recording or whatever. Like she said I could record, but it's like you staring at me and stuff, so it's like, okay, I have anxiety now. But yeah, so I took a little snippet that y'all just saw. So I don't know, this could be a contender. It's just the price. Like I understand though, because honestly when she was showing me the video, okay, when she was showing me the video, it was like huge, and she said all of their 2 bedrooms is like on the corner, so you get like that kind of expanded space. So I don't know, I had to talk with my boyfriend. We'll see. She gave me like a price list and everything like that, so we'll see. Okay, so we just got done at Target. We got a few little goodies. But quick side note, so I was putting my stuff in the car, put my baby in the car, and then this man and this woman walked over. And first off, scared, because I ain't got nothing on me, you know what I'm saying? It's just me and my baby. My boyfriend not with me, he at work, so like that's scary when somebody walk up on you. But he just came up and he was just like, you know, I'm short on my hotel payment and basically needed cash. Whether they was doing this ill intent or not, I still gave them money, because like at the end of the day, you know, I guess that was just for me to bless them, you know, like that just, they came up and luckily I had cash on me. I gave them the cash. I hope whatever I gave them helped in some way somehow. But I don't know, like when I see people like that and stuff like that, like I just want to give, you know what I'm saying, because I would want someone to do that for me. So I don't know, I just thought I'd tell you guys that. But yeah, we got a few little goodies. Now we finna go to at home. see if they got some pillows. I'm looking for pillows. And maybe a new like kitchen set, but I really don't need it. I kind of want to wait till we move to get new dishes. So really, I'm just looking for pillows. Oh, and a lamp and lamps. Even though we're going to IKEA. Okay, yeah, we're going to at home see what they got, and hopefully they got some goodies. So I'll see y'all once we get there. Okay. So we just made it back from at home. Let me show you guys what I got from Target. So it's in my car, but I got this mirror so I can see my baby while I'm driving. And then I got these heating patches for when my period comes on, because since giving birth, like at first it was like my first period, it was cool, like, but this last one, child, but it took me out, but it didn't last that long. It only lasted like 3 days, so that was good, but it was a struggle. And then I got this scalp massager, because I'm finna wash my hair and prep it for some braids. So yeah. And then I got these 2 little tank tops. Oh, okay. I got this one. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. And I got this one. This blue one. They're the exact same. Just 2 different colors. And then I got this little A necklace. Yeah, because I'm getting into more like silver jewelry. I feel like it looks good on me. I don't know. Yeah, I'm branching out to silver, so I'm trying to build that up. And then the last thing I got was this elf halo glow. I got it in the shade 6, which is tan deep. Is it my shade though? I mean, it might be. I don't know. I think I needed the one like in between this one and the darkest color. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it's my shade, because I kind of want like I don't wear foundation, but I don't know, I could like not color correct, but like use it as like a foundation, but not a foundation, just kind of cover my dark marks. Yeah, because I kind of want a skin tint or something like that, because foundation I feel like is way too heavy. Like I notice when I wear foundation, like it just feels very heavy on my skin. So I want a nice skin tint or something like that. Yeah, that I could just wear. And it's summertime, so you don't need to be wearing all that foundation. Something very light, because baby, the makeup be melting. Some of y'all, not me though, but somebody. Yeah. Hey guys, it's like a couple days later. I'm at the beauty supply store. I'm gonna go in because it's time to get rid of this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's time to do some braids. So I'm finna go, me and my little mini-me, we finna go inside the store and get some braiding hair. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I know how I want to do my hair, but you know when you go in the beauty supply store, it's like you go in for everything but plus what you came for. So we finna go in here and do that. So yeah. Okay, so we just made it back from the hair store, the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. 1 second. Okay, so I got this type of braiding hair. It's a Ghana, but it's a Expressions. So Expression Ghana hair. I've never used this hair before, but I didn't see Expressions, and I'm pretty sure my color is 30. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's 30. It's 30. So I got 3 packs of those. So annoying. And then I got some beads because I think I want to put some beads on the end of my hair. I've been looking on Pinterest for ideas because I just don't want to do like regular just braids. I kind of want to do something fun and funky before I end up going back to work. So yeah, some hair beads to put on the ends. And then I got some edge braid and lock gel. I don't know. We'll see if I use this. I don't know about that one. And then I got some foam to put on my braids. I needed some more. And then I re-upped on the Mielle oil. But honestly, I'm never buying it from the beauty supply store because this was like almost $13. Target and Walmart, $10. Like, you're kidding me? But I bought it though because I wasn't trying to go nowhere else. So yeah, that's all I got from the beauty supply store. So I'm finna, I don't know, chill out for a second and then go do my hair. So I'll see y'all once I finish all that. And yes, it will be recorded in another video on how I prep my braids and how, whatever style I end up doing, how I did them. So yeah, don't worry about it, it's coming. So yeah, we finna just chill out. I'm tired. It's raining outside. It's just a good day to be inside.
Hey guys,
cooled up.
I'm
So
gonna
that's
end the video here, but I wanted to show you guys how my hair turned out. Super cute. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. So yeah, go do that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.